guys, and welcome back to another episode of Brunch at Tiffany's with me, the lovely, beautiful Tiffany. So today's video, I'm feeling so summery. Like that one Friday 80 degree got me feeling so summery, right? So I was, every week I go to the liquor store and I was there and I'm just like, what is this? What is this? So, and then I remembered that one of my cousins told me about this new summer citrus Ciroc. And I was like, and then when I saw it in the liquor store, I said, oh no, put this on my tab because I'm buying it today. And I just felt so summery. Like I just feel like making a real summertime drink with this. So this is gonna be a summer citrus lemonade, okay? I'm feeling real summery. I know you guys are too. So let's get out my white tea on. I'm summery today. All right. So all you're gonna need is this Ciroc summer citrus. And I'm also gonna use a little Prosecco. I'm using Mezaluna Prosecco today because this is just some Prosecco that I had in the house. And I have my homemade lemonade that I made from scratch. Lemonade is not easy to make from scratch. Oh my gosh. I use all lemons and some sugar, and of course I don't use just pure white sugar. I use my Domino golden sugar, and that took forever. Like my hands are killing me, but it is what it is. So yeah, so lemonade, the summer citrus Ciroc vodka, some Prosecco, and then I have some fresh fruit here. So I'm gonna also use strawberries, and I have my lemons to put in my jar. Because if it's brunch at Tiffany's, I'm about to have some guests come over and have this lemonade, this summer citrus lemonade. So I'm making it in a picture, okay? So, and I have my glass here, and I have my little muddler because I'm gonna muddle my strawberries in my glass, right? So it's kind of like making a strawberry lemonade, a strawberry summer citrus lemonade, strawberry summer citrus lemon. Anyway, okay, so let's get to getting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it in here, and then I'm going to put it in my glass for you with the strawberries, right? So, and I just also want to put some strawberries in my picture just because I want to, I like color. I'm a visual. I like to put some color in there. I don't need that much ice, honestly. But whatever. We'll hold on to that ice. We might need the ice for the drink. So I'm going to put a few strawberries in there. Just like I said, I like a little color. Just so that it looks so like summery. I'm telling you, like that, we had that 180 degree day, and I was just like, oh sis, what we making? What we doing? So I'm just putting my lemons in here, looking for the cute ones. You know how many lemons I had to buy to make this whole drink? You don't even know. And honestly, guys, I make it before I show it to you guys. Because, I gotta taste it. Like, I can't just be on here showing y'all some nasty stuff and you be like, oh, Tiffany, that's nasty. So, like, I had to buy mad lemons for the beginning one and then for this one, right? So, I got my lemons in here. So, we're gonna pour our liquor first. So, this summer citrus. And I actually tasted this summer citrus. And it's pretty good. It's very sweet, so you should try not to make your lemonade so sweet because this is like pretty sweet. So I'm gonna pour some in here, about a quarter of my picture, right? Maybe a little more. And this bottle was only 30 bucks, so it's not even that much, which is great. Sometimes Ciroc be getting you. And I'm gonna pour a little bit of my Prosecco in here. Just a little bit. So here I have about half of my picture full of just alcohol. And then we're just gonna top it with the lemonade, my fresh lemonade that took forever to make, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Anything for you guys, because I know you guys are looking forward to the summer drinks. I'm just gonna kind of fill it up a little bit, because I also want to just top it off with a little more alcohol. Oh, wrong thing. I'm just gonna top it off with a little more Prosecco. And just give it a little dab. Just dab. Right? So here is, oh, that looks good. Let's get that in there. So here is the mix, right? This is your lemonade that you're making here. So what you're gonna do now with your glass, with your strawberries, so you're just gonna dump your strawberries in the glass, like so. Any kind of way you want, however many you want. Just get it real good. And this is also like kind of how you make strawberry lemonade. It takes a long time for me, but you know, it's just me. So here I got my strawberries all muddled in there, if you can see. I'm just gonna throw some ice cubes in here, because you gotta have ice with your lemonade, right? Got to. And I'll probably throw a little lemon in there. And now we're gonna pour. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. And then I'm gonna garnish it with my lemon. Guys, doesn't this look so good? I promise you it's good. Bro. Summer, 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 summer got me feeling like summer, 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 summertime, summertime. This is a mix. I just can't believe the kind of stuff that I be coming up with. This is crazy. This is so good. I feel like Guy Fieri right now on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. When he eats something that is so good, he can't shut up. I cannot shut up right now. This is so good. This is so... Alright, so place your orders now for this drink. For every barbecue, every picnic you're about to do, place your orders now. They will be in glass jars like this, selling them for $30. If you say WhenWearHow, you get a 10% off discount, okay? This is so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved every bit of this. I hope you try this for yourself. And if you don't want to try it, you want to just buy it from me, that's fine too. Definitely remember to click subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And definitely come back for brunch at Tiffaney's, okay? Now, let's get litty. And let's have a great summer, and let's just drink responsibly, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. This drink is mad good. Like, you don't even know right now. You're about to be amazed. Make me wanna slap myself. I said self. You better not slap me.